Not all questions are meant to be asked, but you find ones that cannot stay ignored. This is Answer Gear.
Ah yes, bones. The rigid scaffolding keeping you from being a pile of flesh flopping around like a jellyfish. You've probably been told since childhood that humans have 206 bones, because that's what all the smart people in lab coats say. But like most things in life, it's not that simple. Turns out, your skeleton isn't just a static structure. It's more like a weird, living jigsaw puzzle that changes as you grow. So do you really have 206 bones? Well, yes. And also no. The short answer, that's probably wrong anyway. The human adult body usually has 206 bones, that's the official number. Memorize it, repeat it in trivia games, impress no one. The slightly longer answer, for the skeletal overachievers. You start life with around 270 bones as a baby. That's right, newborns have more bones than adults, but before you start flexing your superior infant skeleton, just know that a bunch of them fuse together as you grow. For example, your skull, not one bone, multiple bones that eventually merge into a single piece like some kind of biological transformer. Your spine also starts as separate segments before some of them join forces. By the time you're an adult, you're left with the standard 206. Exceptions to the rule, because humans are weird. Extra ribs. Some people are born with an extra rib or two. Congratulations, you're slightly more snake-like than the rest of us. Sesamoid bones. These are tiny bones that develop in places like your hands and feet, and not everyone has the same amount. Basically, your skeleton is playing a game of collect 'em all. Wisdom teeth, not technically bones, but if you still have yours, congrats. You have extra body parts that exist purely to cause pain and dental bills. Fun bone facts you didn't ask for. The longest bone in your body? Your femur, aka the thigh bone. It's also the strongest, which means if you break it, you really messed up. The smallest bone? The stapes, inside your ear. It's about the size of a grain of rice and helps you hear. Try not to break it. Your bones aren't dead. They're constantly regenerating, meaning your skeleton is basically a self-repairing mech suit. Cool, right? Final thoughts and one last reminder you're mortal. So do you have 206 bones? Probably. But if you count the extra ones that might pop up or the ones you were born with and lost along the way, the number gets messy. Your skeleton is weird, evolving, and slightly unpredictable, just like you. Now go forth and use this knowledge wisely, or just bring it up at parties to sound smart. Either way, like and subscribe because knowledge is power, but engagement is what keeps me alive.